Here is can show you this part only because for security reason I can show you more like the account in the past video I show you to you. Then I activate it right now, put it here is active, and then here is save change, and after that in more provisional the receiver master account is here and down part in send a message for the system, and automatically our receiver account is okay and functional, and you receive here, so in your area client, refresh right now and refresh, and you are here okay and working okay, active, active, and that's mean you can use right now. Then it's best for you, it's best election, or all always is working for you okay. Okay, well, login from you can see you aquí yeah here you allow data collection and server configuration. First, basic manager setup. Here is put your personal, custom DNS. For example, DNS1, DNS1, DNS2, DNS1, for example, DNS1, data serve, that us, and data serve, sorry, I mistake there, data serve, us, and DNS1, data serve, say the change, and here is basic configuration is done. Then well, here is a listed account, and well, in last time you got access for a create the account for a default package created for you, system created for you for a top expression, the faculty, and say he access no, but you can mark it here for your client, and yes, and you choose your language in English or other language like Spanish or other language you are chooses in your preference, mail routing, etc. Here is your change the unit name servers, or simple update the name servers and new. Then in left part, I can choose there here in WNTF's resellers master account, and you can choose tools, and generate a backup, and then start it, for example start up output, charge your own backup, in with rotation, 7 days. During uh, that's time no more, and you can restore backup in between that date in next 7 days, and no before, no after. Then you can one day after before 7 days ending, that's exactly you're having attitude and proactive, just don't allow the escape the the data collection, and 7 days between that day is a critical day for a repair or a restoration, every each site in your turn. Well, it's that simple. In this case, it's cancelled because it's recovered here. It's done. You can do here on the one download. Here is download, and downloading simple. For example, in my smartphone, and you can choose there, and simple here, create more package, add package, create more package, and etc, etc, etc. For example, here package, for example, reseller master unlimited usage, and here unlimited, and here is create with digit, and here is in this case in particular ways, my originals, the country is Chilean is because for more people than a package there for the people is informed about this technology is new form the contemplated the I don't know the for example order package a package for more privilege a package here for example hosting one and then sorry hosting hosting one then after that or limited then non-market just the authentication at account creation market here well here Español add package no more. Okay, then there you are create new account and create new account and here create new account and you're under your own servers you can choose here for example other domains like if hypnosis for infinity so open that host and then allow your automatically username. I suggest the username is not exactly the system show you because it's not recommended. Then very much if I say be careful because better is letters and for example letters and numbers and then choose your package here and well if you see cannot use the limit you can ask your provider is ability more in this case uh, for example more more capacity or increase the resources for the in that case the rest package is active like stay in good terms then in that reason I execute right now order package example 2 well every name right now is running. Okay, well it's for default only. It's for park it create for example every each account your pure charge your website for example is only well for test website and collocation crossing data center in USA in multiple data center more the 500 gigabits that connection bits linking port across the United States in between Europe and in Chile resolve in 1 gigabyte per second in resolution in port link. Then if that the port link is very affordable and capable for Chilean and Latin American, then this server is preferred for my client in Chilean and in Latam, Latin America, South America, and in Mexico too, and in Spain too, because I resolve very very fast and very strong, very robust, very very redundant. That's exactly the client find that in the internet and and resolve in slow time, propagation DNS. What one thing is hosting, other thing is domain. Two is your a buy, and after that renew, and after that linking to hosting and domain for the resolve, and between these two parts with DNS connecting with the internet and resolve propagation. And you can see the for example content the website active. Here you can restore from backup or order server cPanel to cPanel. And here in simple terms for the right now, and put it in the end video, not right now, finish video. Here is something, emails account, database, file manager, cifra tools, database, redirected emails, domains, static metrics, resources usage, and security modules, and software modules, etc. Well, that's simple. Is thing to the to the trying to the one in one initial beginning in this lead. Too much people commented mistake that is very recurrent. Then file manager, and then here open public HTML, and then here here we are zoom right now, for zoom the the folder public HTML, and then here upload or charge the new um, sorry, the new folder, here boom boom, um, um, sorry, here I put the the example site for resolve the charger, and it's no more difficult to resolve the charger example site for any people and any across the world and any country, for you can see is resolve this in more simple. And here we are zoom, here is extract, and extract here, and here because we carried dot file, because we can investigate the folder before do the video, because here we carried dot file or folder hidden. That's mean, for example, folder like HT access, and then edit the folder, and then we delete that redirection is other domain, other intern, other other website, then not stay there because it's not active that domain. Then say the change and close there, and we go to the here, and we back to the here is listed account, and simple. Well, we can see right now hypnosis for the infinity, so that host resolve with the IP, and we continue the processing firewall, because it's not resolved yet with domain, because we are done by domain yet, and we can just choose your web page. Your this is a web page is an example, obviously, for all the people. Is or you can observe it. Is carried all the same. all the same, example, here down, here up, part the client, language, emails, tubing car, menu, here is a menu, a slider, here is a search domain, .com, CL, net, or in between others. Example, we work with Linux, Windows servers, cloud platform, cPanel, others like Comodo, Citilog, etc. Well, that's a sample, simple, and well, that's my video. I expect you like it to you. And well, for finish my video, I desire for you give me a like, thumbs up, and I expected, 5 minutes here, and like for example, a reseller USA, reseller USA, and nomenclaturation, United States, and here is dataplus.com in first place across the world, and or other form you can find me in USA, for example, reseller, for example, reseller unlimited, and you can find me maybe in first place. Well, taking to out here in the searching here. Well, here's in after patrocinians, in third place with hostingbyterial.com in the same, we got talking about, telephone. You can call. I repeat again between 12 middle p.m. You know, um, you know, in Chile, and then you can call me. In that's our publishing. In that term. Then well, that's my video. I expect I serve to you like a webmaster with diplomated in university. Uh, in Santa Maria, in Valparaiso, in Chile, and I obviously I formed part of the army, Navy Chilean in 1991, and I my course is executive 5 years study to the grade to the brigadier Bolivia, and then after that I retire voluntaries obviously, and then I form, otherwise is I can choose other, service for you. For example, here in tienda or a store, I hear too much, service or product for you. Hosting WordPress, charted payments or company offers standard professional cloud unlimited usage, cloud master unlimited usage, cloud master unlimited Europe, cloud master server VPS, Azure Web, Civil, Navy, Citilog, website, builder, etc. Here is you are welcome here. You are too much appreciated your business on us. Yeah, then we waiting here, and every each your press here, you are redirected to attentionally, your best practice. We are regulation for United States of the government in the politicians, politics, externally and internally in Chile too, and we are regulated too in you know fiscal, um, in terms here in Chile, because we got a meet, valid ID document, fiscal for a tax ID. Then here in Chile, emit that document out to Chile, the back to you is PayPal or receive your billing, copy there, the back to you the buy, and then here your access again, and you can, for example, here in your account and logging in here you put your email. Right now register for finish that video second part and last. Sorry for extending more more that the possible because I try to provide to you more, exactly what do you do, what do you to do, use it the best way your service. Here in state service, all parameters, HTTP, FTP, and POP3 is uptime. Right now is you know um, today is Monday, Tuesday, Saturday, Wednesday, 23 October. You know, obviously 2024. Then no uses in red internal or external in United States, in Europe, on server VPS on server and VPS separated in turn. Because here you available WhatsApp. You can choose there attention. In addition to that, you can choose here, and you can choose your VIP sheet. Choose your WhatsApp, choose your plan to the PayPal, you can donate, and after that you purchase it, the donation is only as abordable for you, PayPal, cover, the fees, and donate with debit or credit card. Well, that's all. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Have a nice day, and welcome to platform. Here is webnet. I don't show this web page before say goodbye for right now. Webnet.cl is other platform with other in turn, but it's the same platform integrated for you. For example, you hear hosting, hosting here and hosting offer or oferta. Here it says the same. In here it's related to the same card. Well, that's all. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Don't like, share it or like the button. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe me. Give me your comments and how was is my English? How was is advanced my approach to you, and thank you so much for this video. Bye bye.